Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Alamosa Park Elementary School, home of the Hawks in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. I just got to share my heart for a third time this school year, my final visit for 2024-2025. And the focus today, the main theme was icebreakers. The sub-theme was fun team building youth games. And what's really important about this assembly, of course, we have a lot of fun. We had a lot of icebreakers, or more like minute to win it activities, where the students had some relay race type of games. Some involved Oreo cookies, some involved tennis balls, cotton balls, petroleum jelly, and toilet paper. So there was definitely a lot of fun to be had. They really embraced it, the students and staff, right here in the NPR. But the underlying focus, like the other, the more or less life lessons that I was trying to impress upon their hearts, kind of dealt with this picture behind me. It's one of the pictures I show in this particular presentation. And it talks about, who are you in this picture and who do you want to be? And so we're talking about breaking the ice. We're talking about getting real, kind of like the iceberg effect, right? 10% above water, 90% below. But a lot of us as human beings, we only show that 10% of us, kind of the things on the surface level. We don't let people really get to see our heart. And it could be our dreams, our hopes, our fears, goals, etc. But the idea, here is that the person that is 100% real, on fire, alive, not worried about what other people think around them, is this person, right here in the middle, right? Swimming right here in the middle, and they're embracing it. They're not really caring if someone else is talking behind their back, because that will always happen. They're just being themselves. A lot of other people, they're focused just on themselves. They're distracted by other things going on. They're afraid to get in. They need all the safety equipment first. And there's no right or wrong person. It's just more or less, which person do you want to be? Which person are you currently? And what do you want to, who would you like to become? And then we think about how we want to get there. And we get there by knowing that it takes a lot of energy to be someone you're not. It's okay to be different. A lot of the students shared that today, that they've been made fun of because of their name or their eye color or the fact that they have hearing aids, and some of these things you can't control, obviously, right? But again, your real friends, your true friends are going to see you for this, and that's really all that matters. And that you see yourself that way too. We talk about this in all our assemblies. All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, sometimes more than one, but at least one. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And I trace it, I talk about it in every program that I give. But that M is for miracle upside down, W is for worthy. There were beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that and can be 100% ourselves and see the freedom behind that, that's huge, right? Because now we're not so worried all the time about how we dress, the friends that we do hang out with. I can't be friends with this person because I'm around this person. You're not worried about all that drama. You're just worried about being you, and everyone else is taken. So we definitely want to be ourselves, and we want to be fully alive. And once we are, now we're more open and attuned to people around us that might need that help, that might need that support, to be their friend, right? To stick up for them. And it was cool too, and everybody got picked for the icebreakers today, but they were still cheering everybody on, still retaining that humility, trying to encourage the people that are shining in that moment and being okay with it, not jealous. And that's a sign of a true leader. And it was just cool because, every school I've been to here in VUSD, it's been multiple years, multiple visits for some of these sites. And, they kind of start to become my family, where we just keep building on what we've talked about in the past. And if we can do it by having a lot of fun and still having some teaching moments, then that even makes it even more special. But thanks for touching my heart. Have a great rest of this school year, great summer break. Can't wait to see you again in the fall. Until then though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.